This Kaizen Realty LLC property video is presented by Josh Holley. Welcome to this one-owner move-in ready home located in the heart of Oakland. Offering over 3,000 square feet with 5-bed 3 full baths. 2 bedrooms 2 baths down. Beautiful hardwood floors, separate living and hearth room with 2 fireplaces. Granite kitchen west/huge pantry. Walk-in laundry with space for freezer. Master bath has new custom shower and 2 walk-in closets. Oversized bonus or 5th bedroom west/closet. 35 covered back patio, extra storage area in garage, 2 new HVACs and much more. For more information, review the details below or contact Josh Holley at 901-221-4041.